Alright, so this is the smaller board that has a suspected fault on it. Now, one of the diodes was giving me a bit of a strange reading, and I'm gonna try to find out if it's what I was imagining. It wasn't a complete and total fail on the test, but it was something that created a bit of suspicion. Look at that high quality. I love these guys. All right, here's a cleaned off board. Look how nice that is. It's incredibly nice. Let me find something to point with. All right. So I love the way they press the turrets over these nice thick strips of metal. These thick traces. Look at that pride and workmanship. And then they don't have solder pads. They just drill it right through. Isn't that impressive? It's beautiful. So these guys are still good. And I'm not going to get too concerned about getting every single piece of flux off this thing, because it's clean as it is. And then look at this. You gotta love this. It's not going anywhere. And then I'll clean this guy off. We'll just take it from there. And I've got the new bits. I'm going to use some 5408s. The ones that were on there prior are good for 3 amps. But lower voltage specs than these. I don't need 3 amps. The entire amplifier itself is drawing much less than 3 amps. And they put some lower spec diodes, 1N4004s, I believe, or 4003s. I can't remember offhand. I'm going to be putting 4007s on there. Let's see if we can read this. 4003s, yeah. So well, that's it. Then we'll get some new caps on there. And then we'll continue hunting for issues. But for sure, one of these diodes is bad, so hopefully that's the only one.